They used to do it in the 70s. Here we go.
How is that Vogue dance? I don't know how that people do those things.
We should learn. So tonight, tonight is a night talking about creativity, music, and art. And we're going to learn a little bit about different ideas surrounding creativity, creatividade, right? So, but today first, we'll start off with pronunciation of two letters that can sometimes be confused. The sounds of the letter S and the letter Z, okay? I'm not sure if it's an issue for Brazilians, but we can still discuss it, okay? So I've written a couple of sentences. We're gonna try to read those sentences. If we have no problem with them, then we can move on. If there's an issue, then we will do a tutorial about it, all right?
Okay, right.
Any questions?
Agora é só você falar tudo em português.
Only English, okay? If you guys, so I'm gonna speak as much English as possible, okay? I'll speak it in a way that's hopefully understandable, but I want you to hear me and my voice in English, okay?
Okay.
So também sei falar em português, tá? Bom, let's go. Here we go, man.
Hello, Micabe. Hello, Bruna. Hello, Júnia, Lenice.
Hey,
Hello.
Everybody.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna share my tela over here. I'm gonna share my screen. You guys see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Suzy is the name of my sister.
Your sister's name is Susie or Sarah?
Yes.
Susie?
Ourselves.
Okay, so
Sarah?
Sarah. Okay, so those letters S and Z. Let's make those sounds together first. S makes what sound? Like your ex. So es namorado, namorada. Culebra.
Cobra.
Snake.
Cobra.
Okay, sorry about that. I was having a flashback, flashbacky.
Flashback.
Flashbacky. Okay, so S, the sound of S is, okay. Who wants to read the first sentence? Bruna, you want to read it?
Okay. Sarah sells zany drawings on the sidewalk on Saturdays.
Good. Listen, Sarah sells zany drawings on the sidewalk on Saturdays. So that word, do you understand all of those words?
What is
Sarah sells
Yeah, that
zany.
word, zany. Zany is like me, a little crazy, a little local. Zany.
Like me.
If somebody tells you, Bruna, you're so zany, say a bad word. No, zany says, oh, you're a little bit weird. Okay? You're zany. Okay, so Bruna, read that sentence again, please.
Okay. Sarah sells zany
Zany.
drawings.
The A is a long A, so it's zany.
Zany.
Zany. A. Tipo A.
Zany.
Isso. Right.
Zany. Sarah sells zany drawings. Drawings or drawings?
You say drawings. Drawings.
Drawings on the sidewalk on Saturdays.
Okay, that word is sidewalk. Sidewalk.
Sidewalk.
What is sidewalk?
On the sidewalk.
What is a sidewalk in Portuguese?
Calçada.
Calçada, right.
Okay.
Yeah. Sarah sells zany drawings on the sidewalk on Saturdays. So can anybody translate that sentence into Portuguese?
I don't know what means zany, but ela de desenho,
Loucas, crazy.
crazy, loucos.
É,
Então,
tipo, Sara vende desenhos loucos na calçada
aos
aos
sábados.
sábados.
Exactly. Ela não estudou,
Céus,
então ela tem que.
céus é vender, né?
Hã?
Céus é vender.
Right.
Uhum.
Não, vende. Vende.
And yeah, she sells.
Ok.
Any questions on those sounds? No problem, right? Okay. So what does zany mean? Zany drawing. Zany is very what?
Crazy.
Crazy.
Very good.
And sidewalk means what?
Calçada.
Say the word with me. Sidewalk. Sidewalk.
Sidewalk.
Sidewalk.
Good. The
Sidewalk.
Sarah sells
Sidewalk.
drawings on the sidewalk on Saturdays. Good. All right, the next sentence. Who wants to read? Lenice, you're new. I want you to read.
Oh my. Zach sings songs to a family of zebras at the zoo.
Yes. Everybody is crazy in these sentences, okay? Todo mundo é- Okay. So, Zach sings songs to a family of zebras at the zoo. Yeah?
Zoo.
Any questions about that sentence? What does it mean in Portuguese? Who can translate it?
Que Zach canta músicas, canções para uma família de zebras no zoológico.
Exactly. Exactly. What kind of music do you think he sings? Quais são as músicas que ele canta para elas? Pra eles?
Músicas de zebra.
MPB. MPB.
MPB. Yeah.
MPB.
Depois disso, eles ficam dormindo, né? They fall asleep.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's wrong.
All right, Hannah. Hannah, can you read the next sentence, please?
Sim, Suzy sells zebra sculptures by the seashore.
Excellent, excellent. Susie sells zebra sculptures by the seashore. What are sculptures, guys? O que diz essa palavra sculptures? What is that word?
Esculturas?
Esculturas.
Easy. Right. Susie sells zebra sculptures.
Sculptures.
And what does that word seashore mean? O que diz seashore? What does that mean?
Na beira da praia,
Na quê? What is the word?
naquele pedaço da areia ali que eu não sei o nome.
I don't know.
Ajudei, gente.
Yeah, next to the beach, right?
Seashore.
É,
Uhum.
aquele
E a
pedaço da
costa.
areia entre a areia, entre o mar e o calçadão.
Yeah, by the seashore.
Orla.
Na praia? Sabe aquele
Orla.
de areia da praia?
Orla.
Or-
Like
Orla.
É por isso que Orlando é Orlando. Fica na Orla.
Good.
Bem,
Weird.
I never knew that. Okay.
Never knew that. Me neither.
Good job, Hannah. Very good. Susie sells zebra sculptures by the seashore. And you see
Que isso?
Okay, Marlon. Marlon. Ele sempre quer ler.
ok. Zach and Sarah sip lemonade while strolling through the art museum on Sunday. Every morning.
Woo! That was a long sentence. Aplauso. por favor,
Crazy.
aplauso. Bate-
Crazy. Obrigado. Obrigado.
That was good. That was very good. So Zach and Sarah sip lemonade. What does that word sip mean? Sip lemonade. What does that mean?
Lemonade, I know, but sip, I don't know.
Gole de.
Gole é?
Angle. É um jeito de beber, mas é mais like, tranquilo. Não é assim.
Bebericar, bebericam.
Nossa,
Um pouquinho. Só
Essa palavra existe em
sip
português.
meaning.
Né?
Não é gole mesmo? Alguém falou é gole?
What does the goal mean? What does that
Gole.
like a lot?
Gole. É
Golinho
ou
golão.
Era um golinho.
Devagarzinho.
é
Golinho.
quem que você toma.
It's just
Gole. Bebo Guaraná, gole.
É dole, cabeção. Não é, não é só.
Eu sei, mas é que a palavra é parecida.
if I'm
Gole com dole.
look, this is sip.
Gole.
Golinho.
É um
Gole.
trago.
Tá
Eu
certo.
falo
So,
bicorá.
a little bit, né? Drink, so a little bit, né?
Yeah, like when you drink.
É, isso. Isso, Hannah.
Eu falo bicorá.
Or picora.
Picorar.
Picorá, meu Deus do céu. Olha que eu sou baiano, eu não coloquei isso. Aqui é gole.
Gole é muito.
Sarah, Zach, Sarah,
Dá um golinho. Ah, tá bom, golinho.
Golinho.
Okay, so
Bolinho.
she's sip lemonade, right? Okay, while strolling. O que diz that strolling?
Caminhando.
Like,
Caminhando e
As
cantando.
artes dos museus.
Seguindo a canção?
Yeah.
Caminhando através do museu, pelo museu, através.
Sunday.
É através
Museu
das
de
artes
arte.
do
Dos
museu.
museus.
Museum.
What's the means?
Of what?
Evening. Evenings.
Pela tarde.
Ah, tá.
Passeando pelo Museu de Arte.
On Sunday evenings.
Bem chique, mas agora eles têm que
Bem
assistir
chique.
pela internet.
Ô, Marcos, como
Ei, Jean,
coloca esse... Oi, como coloca esse background aí?
Cara, eu moro aqui. Minha vida é arte.
Eu moro aqui, ó.
Isso é uma função do próprio Zoom.
View options.
É.
Oh, yeah. You can choose.
Choose virtual background.
Yes.
Okay, you can
Valeu.
choose background.
Colocou
Valeu.
musiquinha de fundo?
Any questions on that sentence? Can somebody translate that sentence, please, into Portuguese?
Jack e Sarah estavam dando goles de limonada enquanto atravessavam, andavam pelas artes do museu no sábado à
Museu de
tarde.
Arte.
Seria isso?
Domingo à tarde.
Domingo.
Sunday é domingo? Domingo à
Yeah.
É. Saturday
Great.
é sábado.
tarde. Sunday.
Museum.
Okay. Good job, guys. Sunday evening. Okay, the last sentence. Who wants to read the last sentence? Anybody? Volunteers?
Sarah draws pictures of zephyrs zooming silently skyward.
Essa frase é mais nível hard. Hard.
É.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this sentence is a little more advanced, but I think that you can handle it. So Sarah draws pictures. O que quer dizer pictures?
Desenhos.
É, a mesma coisa.
Desenhos.
Ela draw,
Ou fotos.
Figuras.
Desenhos, quadros,
yeah,
fotos.
she
É,
draws
imagens, né, na verdade.
zephyrs. Has anybody heard the word zephyr? Zephyr? O que quer dizer zephyr?
I don't know.
Figuras de zebras.
I don't know, I don't know.
A zephyr é tipo uma nave, né? Like a space, a
Ah,
spaceship.
Oh,
Like that.
okay.
Let me hear you say the word zephyr. It's a fancy way. É uma palavra chique. Zephyr. But it's
Zephyrs.
com Z, então eu usei. Okay.
Domingo.
Zephyrs.
Zooming, o que quer dizer? Zooming.
Voando.
Aproximando?
grandes.
Zooming. Like
Indo
voando.
rápido.
Rápido.
Voando rápido.
Yeah, it's moving very quickly. Zooming. If I say, wow, the car went zooming by. I say, wow, did you see that car? It just zoomed by. It zoomed by. All right, the car zoomed. So zoom, o que quer dizer zoom?
Zoom é rápido. Foguete, um foguete.
The Zephyr zoomed silently. Silently? What does silently mean?
Silenciosamente.
Skyward. Skyward?
Céu, word, skyward.
Skyward? Sky é que? Céu, né?
Céu.
Eu.
Skyward quer dizer que tá se movendo na direção do céu, né? Skyward.
Dá para entender. I can understand the sense, but the words isolated, I didn't know. I didn't know till now.
Good. It's another like fancy word, skyward, but it's a good word to have. Close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes.
Nice glass. Sorry.
Oh, wow, look at that. Eu vou ler essa frase em inglês e vocês têm que imaginar, né? Close your eyes. Close up. Sarah draws pictures of zephyrs zooming silently skyward.
I know.
Ben, it's watching 3D.
All right. Any questions? All right, guys. I want to direct you. Eu desenhei esse desenho que fica na sua tela.
Sério?
Mas tá escrito errado.
How do I
Sério?
I gave
A
up.
Suzy que tá vendendo a escultura de zebra é com essa.
Okay, whatever. Eu vou lembrar. I'm gonna remember this.
Boa sacada, Bruna. Boa sacada.
All right, Ben, stop it. Okay.
Que isso?
Guys, any questions with S and Z? No?
No.
Não.
No. We have no questions. All right. Very
Not
good.
really.
We learned some new words. All right, quick quiz. Marlon, o que quer dizer a palavra sidewalk?
Sidewalk, cadê sidewalk? Orla the beach. Orla the beach.
Bem,
Errado, fora.
Gente, não acertei não, foi?
Anybody else?
Oh my
Junior,
gosh.
Junior. O que quer dizer sidewalk?
Sidewalk. Calçada?
ah,
Pelo menos alguém estava prestando atenção. Marlon, just kidding.
Eu juro que foi Orla, velho.
I know.
Você trocou.
Tem outra, seashore. Ok, não. Ok. Luiz Rodrigues. Hello.
No.
Hello. Luiz Rodrigues. What does the word zephyr mean? O que quer dizer a palavra zephyr?
Oh, the new word.
It's like a nave. I don't know how to say that.
Spaceship.
Like a spaceship, yeah.
Very good. Good. Okay. Anna, are you there?
Me. Yes.
Are you there? Anna,
Yes.
what does the word sip mean? Sip. O que quer dizer sip?
Ship. How should I put it? It's such as
you can show me.
What? Imagine, no? So, ship, it looks like a boat, but
Here, I'll give you a tip. I'll give you a
in
clue.
this case of space rocket,
No, that's
Safe now.
the word. Okay, listen.
ship now. So sorry. drink a little bit.
Yes.
Yes. Gole, em português.
Gole, né?
Oh! Isso, amor de Deus.
Gole. Tome Guaraná, gole.
Aprende palavra do gole em português.
Okay, so
Ship, né?
okay, so that was good. That's sip. But she was talking about the word zoom, zooming. O que quer dizer zoom? Danison, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
What's up? How are you?
Just fine.
Good. Danison, what does the word zoom mean? Zoom. Oh, eu já fiz.
Rapidamente.
Isso. Yeah, exactly. Zoom.
Velozmente não seria melhor? Velozmente? Já que é tão veloz?
Não, não. Zooming não é advérbio. No, it's not an adverb. Zoom é verbo. Zooming, moving quickly. Huh?
Quickly.
Yeah, if the word has zooming doesn't have ly at the end, se tem ele no final, é advérbio, mas esse não. It's just a verb. Okay. What about the word strolling? Strolling, Jean. Where are you? Tudo bem?
Oi,
Joia. Just kidding.
I'm here.
Bro, what does the word strolling mean? What does that word mean? Strolling. Lê essa frase e tenta de...
Strolling, caminho. Caminhando.
Exactly. Strolling, it's to walk in kind of like a relaxed way. Strolling, when you're strolling, você não tá... Vamos chegar. No, strolling it. Ah, que legal. Que chique.
Tipo passear.
Exactly. Yeah, strolling is like that. Passear. Okay?
Assim.
Você tá andando, mas você tá aproveitando a...
Exactly.
Wow.
Like you would be strolling along the beach. Strolling along the beach.
Enjoying the walk.
So beautiful. I love this place. Isso.
Enjoy the walk.
I am wait the means about sidewalk. I don't know.
Oh, sidewalk. A sidewalk is, what was the word, guys?
Passeio, calçada.
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 Yeah, calçada, that's the word.
É porque
Calçada. Ah, tá.
in my state we say passeio, calçada e passeio are synonymous.
Which state are you from?
The
Minas
same
Gerais.
here.
Minas
Minas
Gerais.
Gerais.
They have that-
It's the same here I live.
There is a song. Tem uma música cantada pelo Alan Jackson que chama Strolling to Heaven. Aí eu lembrei. Strolling to Heaven.
Canta pra nós.
Sing, Jean.
É?
Tem que cantar.
Eu não lembro direito. Tem
Lembrou
muita
da
música.
música, tem que cantar.
Eu lembrei só do trecho.
Esquece. Just kidding. Okay, strolling
Posso
to
ver?
heaven. Hey, that's like that. Yeah, just walking your way to heaven. Good. Okay, the last word is the word zany. Zany. Benjamin Dominguez. Tejano. Wow.
You're asking me?
Yeah, speak, brother.
Zany.
Zany is crazy. Louca.
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 Doida.
Mesmo TVzinha.
Yeah, zany. I'm like, wow, that girl is really zany. That boy is zany. That boy is messed up. Zany. Good. Any questions? Very good. We learned a few words. We practiced our pronunciation. We learned some new words. Very good.
Drawing, sidewalk.
Aula fechada. Just kidding. Okay. So, next. Okay. So today I wanted to talk about creativity, right? And I saw a TED Talk. I really liked today. Ben, stop it.
I don't like to talk.
A TED Talk.
Essa ficou legal, velho.
Ô, Marcos, eu tentei colocar esse background e não consegui não, cara. Tá difícil.
Okay, so I want to practice in order to improve our pronunciation, it's good to study, mas também é bom ouvir nativos falar, né? Tipo como eu.
Yeah.
Sim. Yeah.
So we're going to watch some of a TED Talk about creativity with an actor who's very famous. His name is Ethan Hawke. Does anybody know Ethan Hawke? Ethan Hawke?
Yes.
I don't know.
So just one person. Okay, we're going
I
to
know him.
We're gonna watch the video. I'm gonna put subtitles at the bottom. Vou colocar as legendas. Vamos assistir. We're gonna watch it, and then we're going to discuss it. We will talk about it after. Okay. So listen, read, and then we will talk about words that you don't understand or the ideas. All right. It's all about creativity. Okay. Vamos.
Go on.
Let's go.
Let's go, meu brode.
Jogar o quê?
With what was his main point? What was Ethan Hawke trying to say? Que é a coisa mais importante. Que é a coisa mais importante. What is the most important thing that you can do as a human? To do what? Fazer o quê?
Eu acho que
Follow your passion. Follow your...
And
a música que você gosta.
And to express yourself, to be who you are, right? So, look, I know that this was fast, but in order to improve, para melhorar, às vezes você tem que ouvir coisas que são, like,
foolish.
de outro nível.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. Your brain is working so hard. Ele está ouvindo isso, então ele tem que aprender como entender essas palavras. Eu vou fazer tudo possível para fazer isso para ele, né? Ou para ela. So you just need to let your brain do the work. You listen, let your brain absorb and learn and organize and understand, and then let your heart take in the content of what is being said. Né? Deixa que o seu coração entende também, né? So, how do you express yourself? Now, you don't have to be an artist drawing or painting or singing to express yourself. You simply have to show what you have. How do you express yourself? Luis Rodriguez, how do you express yourself? How can I say that in Portuguese? Como você se expressa?
Como você se expressa?
Como você gosta de se expressar?
Se expressar.
He said in the video that in order to express yourself, you got to understand yourself and understand what you like to do, what you want to offer to the world. So that's the way you can express yourself, when you understand who you are.
And how do you express yourself to the world?
I express myself trying to be creative through art and videos and design and things I like to do.
Awesome. Thank you. What about Victor? Victor, are you there?
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy. How are you?
So, to express myself, I think I like to write, like random things.
Mhm. So you're a writer?
Sorry?
So you like to write things, huh?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
And not everything has to be. These are more artistic. Tipo, Luis da how do you say editing? Editando? Yeah, coisa.
Editando.
Yeah, but like Junior, what do you love to do? Junior.
Hi.
What's up? What do you love to do? How do you express yourself?
Okay. It depends. I like music, movies, series, race talker.
You love to sing too. You sing for all of us, right? Você gosta de cantar para nós?
Cantar. É bom, né? Let it be.
Yeah. You express yourself for us because it makes us happy, and I think it makes you happy too, no? Marlon, how do you express yourself to the world?
I like to express myself. To do some draws in the wall.
You do that?
Yeah.
That's beautiful, man.
I like to do sports, learn sports to my daughter.
The teacher sports, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Who else? What about Natalicio? Are you there?
Hello.
Hey, how
Good
are you?
evening.
Welcome. How are you?
Hello, Natalicio.
Oh, thank you.
Natalicio, how do you express yourself? Do you like art? Do you like sports? Do you like singing?
Well, I like to listen to music. I like to watch some videos on the internet. And at this pandemic time, I used to take care of my plants.
They're beautiful.
Look over there. A lot of plants.
Wow, I want a wall like that. Eu queria algo assim, mas eu só compro tipo plantas de plástico.
Não, eu estou plantando bastante. Estou plantando
Wow, that's
bastante.
beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Everybody has different ways. Some through sports, some through. In English, we say horticulture. É tipo isso, horticulture, crescendo plantas e tudo isso. Like,
okay.
Growing plants.
Yeah, growing plants.
Playing sports.
And you, Fernando, how do you express yourself?
Assim, dando aulas, sendo louco. Like, I like to dance. I love to use my body. I like to play sports. I like to have adventures, climb mountains, and see birds, and just talk to people and be crazy. You know, I love to express myself. I'm not good. I cannot draw. I like to write. I like to write too. Like, I enjoy. Yeah.
I like to be zany.
All right. Anybody else? Does anybody else want to share how they express themselves? Ben? Hannah?
Yes.
Hannah, how do you express yourself?
I like capoeira. I like listening to music. I like going to the park. I like dancing.
Great.
That's awesome.
Nice. Yeah.
Capoeira is.
Hannah.
Go ahead.
Hannah, when you come here to Salvador, we play capoeira.
Wow, really? Sorry.
I like capoeira.
Do you know
Ah.
how to play? Do you know how to dance capoeira? How to play capoeira?
It's so it's very important to step ginga.
Yeah.
It likes people first time study how to do walking like this. So ginga.
Yes, I know. I
Yeah.
understand. That's good.
Thanks.
That's awesome. I think capoeira is beautiful because it combines sports and dance, and you have this like really, really cool thing. So
Yes.
we have to. Hannah, do you have any video of you dancing, fighting this? Você não tem vídeo disso?
The story behind capoeira is pretty interesting.
Yeah. I want to know the story behind your wallpaper. That's all.
What?
Okay. All right. Anybody else? Okay. I think that's great. Thank you for sharing, guys. It's important to express yourself, who you are, what you are, and also I just encourage you. The video that we watched was kind of hard to understand, but if you listen again and again and again and again, you're going to understand after a while. You will understand. It will not seem so fast. He's okay? Okay, thank you. But yeah, so that's it for that. Now I have an activity, and it will require, you don't have to, but if you have a piece of paper and a marker, we're going to do some creative work of our own, okay? We're going to watch a small clip, a small filming, a small video of an artist, and then we're going to express ourselves right here, right now. Done?
Pretty cool.
Here we go. All right. Let me stop this here. Are you still seeing my screen, guys? Yeah?
No.
Junior,
No.
I can see your guitar.
Junior,
you play.
você quer tocar?
Junior, you play to us.
Junior, you want to play?
Hello. Behind him, the guitar.
Do you want to play for us?
Eu tô aprendendo.
Ah.
Do you play Raul?
Raul.
Toca Raul.
Oh my god.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this woman is an artist. She speaks English with a British accent. Ela tem sotaque. How do I say English? English?
Britânico.
Britânico.
Ela tem sotaque britânico. But it's not it's not that bad. It's kind of Americanized, so I think you'll understand. Okay? So she's an artist. We'll watch a video, we'll talk, and then we're going to follow what she says. Okay? We're going to create our own art. Let's go. Can you see her? Here we go.
Yeah.
I'm Chantal Martin, and this